how important did you have to learn how to start eliminating things off your plate, asking for help, right? Because I think that definitely can be one of our challenges, asking for help. How important was that in your life, and how did you start implementing that?
That was vital. The delegating, the knowing the help that I needed, coming from that leadership, being in those leadership positions, I was used to doing it all. Delegating was very hard for me because I had the mentality, I mean, you're a hard worker, you get it done. So yeah, I always bit off more, than I could chew, just knowing, okay, you got to get it done. Which played into so many other things. So the work came in with, it's okay to ask for help.
Right.
It's okay. There were moments it literally hurt. It literally hurt because I'm like, the voices, what are people going to think of me? They're going to think I can't, but there's no way that I could be in the place that I'm at now doing all of those things, not saying no. And even within those no's, the work with that and the layers, really, I grew up in an environment and a family of, women, you don't say no. If someone calls and they want to talk to you for 2-3 hours, you pick up the phone and you talk to them. You're available for other people. So really understanding why is this pattern like this? Why is this drive in me like this? So understanding that and recognizing that and being okay. A lot of that work came back on my end with, I'm already enough. I always will be enough. If I say no, when I need to say no, and this person is still going to love me. They may be upset. But really understanding that I'm already enough. So I don't need to not say no because that's going to, I'm going to lose a friend and if I do, that's okay.